Ashwin Ramaswamy, the first Gen Z Indian American running for his US state legislature, has raised over $280K US, which is considered to be a substantial figure at the state level. Ramaswamy has outraised his incumbent opponent Sean Still by 22 times in the latest filing period from the 1st of February to the 30th of April. Now, while Ashwin Ramaswamy has raised this whopping amount, his opponent has raised only $6,400 US. The two are running for the state senate in the District 48 of Georgia. Here's a glimpse of Ashwin Ramaswamy's rise.
To be honest, I didn't expect to be here, a candidate for public office asking for your vote. If you haven't already noticed, I don't look like anyone else in the Georgia State Senate. But maybe that's a good thing.
This Gen Z Democrat quit his job protecting elections from hackers, and now he's targeting what he says is a greater threat to democracy, his state senator. 24-year-old Ashwin Ramaswamy is running for a Georgia State Senate seat, taking on a Republican Georgia State Senator Sean Still, who was indicted alongside Trump in the state's election interference case.
I'm Ashwin Ramaswamy. I'm the son of immigrants. I'm an engineer. I'm Gen Z, and I was born and raised right here in Johns Creek. And I'm ready to get to work building the Georgia that could be the one just over the horizon.
Between 2010 and 2022, the population of Asians in the 48th Senate District jumped from 16% to 28%. Ashwin, a second-generation immigrant who grew up in a South Indian Tamil family, says he believes he can better represent his district's growing Asian population. Ramaswamy's campaign has raised $280,000 so far, including $50,000 from his own pocket. He is touting his youth and computer science background as assets that would make him a unique member of the legislature. Ramaswamy, who will be the legally required age of 25 by November's general election, said he believes he'd be the youngest Indian American legislator in the United States. If elected, he would be the first Indian American state senator in District 48 of Georgia. He would also be the first Gen Z state senator in Georgia and the only Georgia state legislator with both a computer science and a law degree. Parmeshwar Bava for NDTV.